Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move. Now this one is called the Lindy step, and it's actually a combination of a shuffle step and a rock step. So let me show you how it goes, right? So you're gonna do a shuffle step to the right. You're gonna step with the right, 1 and 2, and then with your left foot, you're gonna rock back 3, 4. Okay. So a shuffle step is a triple step, right? So it's 3 steps and you do it in 2 counts of music, okay? So it's 1 and 2, rock back with the left, 3, 4. And then you can go to the left the same way with a triple step, rock back with the right, and then step forward with the left, okay? So let's try it again. 1 and 2, rock back 3, 4, 5 and 6, rock back 7, 8. Again, a triple step. This is a shuffle. 1 and 2, we did it in 2 counts. We step back, rock back 3, 4, triple this way, shuffle 1 and 2, rock back for 2 counts, 3, 4. Okay, so let's count it. Let's do to the right and to the left. Let's put those two together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5 and 6, rock 7, 8. Okay, that's the Lindy step. All right. See you next time, guys. Hope this helps. All right. If it does, let me know. Like, share, subscribe. Let's grow together. All right. Thanks, guys. Love you. Mwah.